morning. I'm Maria Santa and I'm the principal of school number 5. This grant opportunity means a lot to our school. It is going to provide us opportunities to explore initiatives that are going to involve the community, our parents, students, and the community at large throughout our school. We have started some projects already that can evolve into bigger projects. We are exploring the possibility of a health clinic being established in the school, services for parents and the community, everything from ESL lessons to parenting skills and workshops, and our students to receive services that will eliminate the barriers that stand between their learning and what the potential that they can develop. So this is just exciting news.
We're announcing this grant today because it will allow Patterson to transform 3 of its schools in a way that brings all the stakeholders together in our education system in order to put our children first. This year, Patterson will receive $466,111. That grant from the Department of Education's Full Service Community Schools program, of which Toby Kinnear is responsible for in our city of Patterson. They will transform 3 underperforming schools, Title I schools, into the full-service community school model. This $466,111 will grow to $2,330,555. That's a 5-year period grant. Try that out for size. Patterson, we're going places. Look at that superintendent. Look at that smile on his face.
This means that we are now able to fully operationalize our plans for community schools. We were actually planning to incrementally implement as funds became available, and to the extent that the partners who came to the table were able to bring their resources as well. Well, this provides additional resources for us to do that. We are extremely excited. We can move forward much faster and with fidelity to the process than we anticipated. So again, I thank staff, I thank the congressman, everyone who's had a hand to play in this.
The Full Service Community School gives us a great opportunity to improve core instruction, include extended day programming, and also work to have parent engagement. Trying to get many of the parents involved in their children's lives, and also having our AmeriCorps fellows work in the classrooms in the target areas of 3rd and 4th grade to work with the students on small group instruction and ensuring that they're getting a quality education in the classrooms each day.
Well, definitely, community school is extremely important because bring the parent and the community together in one building. It's going to help us, it's going to help the parents that are not aware about a lot of the issues that we're facing in the district. They're going to be involved. We're going to go there. We're all going to meet here. So it's extremely important. I'm very happy to be here today, and we're going to continue. We will see more community school this year and next year. So.
NJCDC is enormously proud to be the lead partner here at School Number 5. We're ready to bring all of our resources to ensure that this school succeeds. We're going to work hard with our team of AmeriCorps members and our staff here to keep this school open early, close it late, open on weekends during the summer to ensure that students, parents, families, and the neighborhood at large have an opportunity to benefit from this as a neighborhood hub. So we're enormously excited, and we know that great things are ahead for School 5 as a result of today's announcement.
How you doing? This is TJ Best, President of Patterson Board of Education. I think it's an outstanding opportunity that we have received this grant from the federal government. I think it provides an opportunity to grow the full-service community schools model, not just at School Number 5, but other schools throughout the district. So with that being said, thank you, Congressman Pascal, for coming through for us, and we look forward to working with you in the future.
We're real pleased to be here today to see this happen, because we know that school success doesn't just happen in school, it happens all around the child, and this is our opportunity to make a bigger effort to make that success possible.
JP Morgan Chase Foundation believes that schools are the foundation for the revitalization of communities. We are really happy that this grant is indicating the work that's already been done by folks like Irene and NJCDC to make this school and this community the best that there can be in this state and in the country. We're really excited about this. We're real happy to keep supporting it.
Hi, I'm Brenda Patterson, Assistant Superintendent for Academic Services. This opportunity is something we've been waiting for a long time. First of all, it's a 5-year commitment to the children of Patterson, to the communities that need and want to say that we're going to work together to make sure that we're going to make improvements in the lives of every citizen, of every community and family. And I'm just so excited to be a part of this opportunity to say, you know, school matters, services matters to parents, to our community, and we now have the resources over the next 5 years, $2.3 million, to bring the services directly to our community. I wish all well and, you know, the best. I expect support from the whole community. Thank you.
You know, NJCDC is just so happy to be part of this Community Schools Initiative. What this is really going to mean at School 5 is a chance for all children to really succeed. Definitely academically, but also with health and social services, recreation, all the things that go into making a young man or woman just a real success in their lives. It begins in elementary school. School 5 leadership here, Mrs. Santa, along with our team, and really the whole Patterson Public Schools support system is going to really make a real difference here for the students in this school, but also in this neighborhood. We're going to see true transformation, and it's really exciting.
It's a wonderful opportunity for Patterson, and they could not have selected a better principal to be the exemplar of such a program.
Hello, my name is Kimberly Wilson, and I think that AmeriCorps is a great opportunity for me to service this community and give back what I've already gotten to me.
Hi, my name is Tanisha Clemens. I just want to say thank you for the grant that was proposed on today, and make sure that we put it to good use.
Hi, my name is Maria Bennett, and I'd like to thank Congressman again for his wonderful contribution, and I hope we do put it to good use. I'm sure we will.
My name's Lyle Silverman, and I'd like to also thank Congressman Pascal and the Patterson community for help running this program that should have a lot of success.
It's an exciting day for Patterson to have a grant like this come to us from the Congressman to provide the funds that we need for our full-service community school program. We're starting it off here at School 5, but next year we're bringing it to 2 additional schools. So I know it's a great day for Patterson, and I'm excited to be a part of it.
Hello, I'm Andre McCullough, Executive Director of Accountability in Patterson Public Schools, and I am so excited about this grant that has been won for the city of Patterson, not just the full-service community schools. This is great, and I would like to close at this time by saying, run and tell that. Thank you.
This is a great opportunity for the children here at School 5. They're so excited about it. So many things are coming to the school that's really going to enrich our communities and in our classrooms so we can deliver the absolutely best for our children and making sure they succeed each day. So we're really happy.
Opportunity means endless possibilities. You can succeed, and no